Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to find your IBAN number for your Faysal Bank account. So without any delay, let's jump into it. The first and the easiest way is to go to the Faysal Bank's official website. So type faysalbank.com on your browser, and then once you go there, find the IBAN generator tool. Enter your full account number. Usually this is 14 to 15 digits including your branch code. After you input your account number, click generate and your IBAN will appear. You can also use wise.com to generate your IBAN. Just enter your bank code and account number, then click calculate IBAN to see the result. Another way to find your IBAN number is to check your bank statement. Faysal Bank typically includes it on statements sent every 6 months. Remember, your IBAN is a 24-character number beginning with the country code and ending with your account details. So that's it, guys. Now you know how to quickly find your IBAN number. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful for you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such helpful tutorials.